Here is a simple and complete biography of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was a famous English poet, playwright, and actor. He is known as the greatest writer in the English language and is often called England's national poet or the Bard of Avon. He was born on 23 April 1564 in Stratford upon Avon, a small town in England. His father, John Shakespeare, was a glove maker and town official, and his mother, Mary Arden, came from a wealthy family. William likely attended the local grammar school where he learned Latin, literature, and classical studies. He did not go to university. At the age of 18, Shakespeare married Anne Hathaway, who was 8 years older than him. They had three children, Susanna, and twins Hamnet and Judith. Sadly, his son Hamnet died young. In the late 1580s or early 1590s, Shakespeare moved to London to pursue a career in the theatre. He became an actor and writer. He joined a company of actors known as the Lord Chamberlain's Men, which later became the King's Men. His plays were performed at famous theatres like the Globe. Shakespeare wrote about 39 plays, 154 sonnets, and several long poems. His works are divided into tragedies, comedies, and histories. Some of his most famous plays include Hamlet, Macbeth, Romeo and Juliet, Othello, King Lear, Julius Caesar, A Midsummer Night's Dream, The Merchant of Venice. His writings explore deep themes such as love, ambition, jealousy, betrayal, power, life, and death. He created many unforgettable characters and introduced thousands of words and phrases into the English language. Shakespeare retired to Stratford around 1613 and spent his final years there. He died on 23 April 1616 at the age of 52. He was buried in the Holy Trinity Church in Stratford upon Avon. His legacy continues to live on. His plays are still performed and studied all over the world. He has influenced countless writers, poets, and thinkers. His ability to capture human emotion and experience makes his work timeless and universal. Summary: William Shakespeare was a legendary writer whose stories, poems, and plays have shaped world literature. His works remain powerful, meaningful, and loved even after 400 years.